This is Gabriel with ProX Live Performance Gear. We have two brand new bags over here. One of them is the XB-P12. So XB-P12, it has so many dividers inside the bag that can be used for the cables, for the microphones, for the cables, for the power cans, and it has Velcro, and also it does have a strap to carry also. It has two long zippers over here as well to store your accessories over here. We have a bigger version of this bag. We call it XB-CP46. So the CP46, it has a compartment in the front and also in the back as well over here. Heavy duty bag, and also it has about so many compartments that it could be used for the lighting, for the powers, for the microphones, and we believe every mobile DJ, they need a bag to store their products with this. So check our website, proxdirect.com, CP46 and P12 over here. Thank you for watching ProX Live Performance Gear.